Jeremiah, are you sleeping? Are you asleep or are you faking? You're faking. Oh.
No.
Oh no, you're asleep, you're asleep. We believed you. No, it's cool, it's cool. We believed you, we believed you. You were asleep the whole time, weren't you? Yeah.
Adelita.
What happened? What happened to you?
We have some things that we'd like to talk about that are very concerning to us. The first being, what's going on with puffs? I mean, when you used to get a little package of puffs, like they would fill the bag, like to the brim. And now, you open up one of those bags, it's like 60% air. Yeah, anyways, we're very upset about it. And we just want to get this video out there to raise awareness about the puff air deficiency. No, don't stick your tongue out. This is a serious video. Thank you.
Why are you looking like this?
Let me see that face. Sailor, let me see that face. Let me see that face. Okay. Sailor, one more time. Let me see that face. Let me see it. Okay, I lied. One more time. Let me see that face. Let me see that face.
Say hello to everybody. Say hello to everybody. What face does Mom make when she's mad at Dad? Yeah, that's it.
Cross it.
Like this one, look.
Cross.
Look at mine. like this, like that. Like this. Like this.
Do it. Isaac, can you roll your eyes?